Fahrenheit.
26 degrees. Now, how does that compare with the dew point that we took up at the mountaintop?
That's much higher.
Much higher. And how do you guys feel about being in an environment with a higher dew point?
Oh, it's much muggier and hot and sultry like you were saying before.
And it's uncomfortable. In fact, people sometimes use dew point as an informal measurement of how comfortable they're going to be. I know I feel like being a little bit more comfortable right now, so excuse me, and I'll share this with you. Whew, that is so much better. We are here at another incredible location. We're walking on the deck of the USS Constitution.
Cool. So Mike, we got two very different dew point readings at the last two locations. Why was that so?
Wow, that's a great question. You know, dew point is really a measurement of the moisture that's in the air. So it's similar to humidity measurements, relative humidity measurements, except dew point is independent of other factors. So when you know the dew point is, say, 20 degrees C, when the air temperature cools to 20 degrees C, that's when the water vapor in the air begins to condense, forming those water droplets, which lead to what we see as fog, mist, even clouds that are up in the sky.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I have another question.
Sure.
So here on the boat or the ship, will we have another different viewpoint?
Oh, great question. Are you going to find different dew points on the ship? Stop right there, because what I want to do is give you guys your next assignment. I need both of you to scour the decks, scour below, and find places on the USS Constitution that have two different dew points. Got your mission?
We
Yep.
do.
Go to it!
Let's go.
Yep.
And while they're off looking for places on the Constitution with two different dew points, I'd like you to do the same thing. See if you can think of two locations where you live that would have two different dew points. Once you find them, measure them, let us know so we can share all this information among Argos throughout the world.